Assemble and bake this spring season holiday favorite and enjoy in less than 30 minutes for only 137 calories. I'm using a multiple bowl method to crack 2 eggs. One bowl to collect the white, then transfer to another bowl, the yolk in its own bowl. I'm cracking the second egg in an empty bowl and pouring the white into the bowl with the first egg white. The second yolk joins the first yolk. I'll save those yolks to use in another recipe. I won't need those egg yolks for these macaroons. Both egg whites are poured into a large mixing bowl. I'm chopping whole roasted almonds to add to my macaroons. I'm not chopping them too finely or evenly, just roughly chopping them so they will be of various shapes and sizes and add an interesting and varied texture and visual appeal. I'm sliding all of these chopped almonds into the egg whites. One cup plus another 3/4 cup of unsweetened dried coconut is added to the mixing bowl. 1/3 cup of sugar is next. One teaspoon vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract as well. And a little salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm stirring all these macaroon ingredients together to mix well. If your macaroon batter looks separated as though it's not pulling together well like mine, don't worry. If you've mixed it well and all the ingredients are coated with egg white and the batter holds together a little like this when scooped, the macaroons will bake properly into a lovely, well-baked macaroon. I'm scooping the raw macaroon batter with an ice cream scoop, roughly 3/4 full, onto a parchment paper lined 11-inch by 17-inch baking tray into rows of 3 by 6. This macaroon recipe makes 18 macaroons. If you're a little off in your spacing like me, just move your raw macaroon batter over a little to make more space for all 18. You'll see, they all bake properly. No problem. I'll bake these macaroons in a preheated 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes. "12 minutes, and these macaroons need about another 2 minutes. The edges are nicely golden and the tops are just beginning to show some golden highlights. Time to take these macaroons out of the oven. While the macaroons cool off, I'll microwave 2/3 of a cup of dark chocolate chips until melted. 30 seconds and no more to give the chocolate chips a quick stir. "30 more seconds. These chocolate chips are ready. I'll stir the rest of the unmelted chips into the melted chips to melt all of them. More microwave time and they might burn. Lift each macaroon and spoon 1 teaspoon of melted chocolate onto the parchment paper. I'm settling this macaroon gently on top of my melted dark chocolate and giving it a slow twist. See how the melted chocolate flows outward in a gratifying smooth-edged circle? Perfect baking skills are not required. Even beginning bakers will make and create beautiful and impressive macaroons to share with family and friends with this method. And now that all 18 macaroons are resting on melted chocolate, they go into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Now that our macaroons are cooled and the chocolate is set, gently peel the parchment paper away. See how perfectly beautiful and even our chocolate turned out? We'll be proud to plate these delicious macaroons and share them on our holiday table with family and friends. But first, a sample. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.